learn how to enable or disable hardware acceleration in Chrome, or I would say graphics acceleration in Chrome. So open your Google Chrome browser, and at the top right corner where you see the three dots, click on that. And the second last option will be settings. Once you click on that, a window will appear like this. And here we need to go to the bottom and you will find system right there. Now, once you click on system, the first one is continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. You can turn it on or turn it off. It is up to you. However, the main part for this tutorial use graphics acceleration for Google Chrome in PC. You can turn it on. So once you turn it on, make sure you relaunch it, and then you will see a difference as far as if you play or if you do a lot of things in the browser. So definitely it will help. And if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.